Hello everyone, students. Today I am going to teach you new chapter simple equation from NCERT book. This is exercise 4.1 and questions are here. Those who are not having books, they can write all questions from this book. I will solve one by one question and show you how to solve it. Some children are writing directly yes or no. Don't write this directly yes or no. You first try to solve, then you see this equation is satisfied or not. Now I am going to solve you one by one some question. Different types of the question I will solve you, and rest of the question you try to solve. If you get any problem, then you can ask to me by sending message. Okay, now I am going to start. Question number 1. A. X plus 3 equal to 0. So this is LHS and this is RHS. What you have to do? You have to put a value of X which is given. So you take from LHS equal to X plus 3 is given. By putting X equal to 3, this value is given in the book. LHS equal to, now this X is equal to 3, you put the value here. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. The value of LHS is 6, but you have to compare with this RHS value. RHS is 0, LHS is 6. So this is not equal. So we can write here this is not equal to RHS. Okay, this is not equal to RHS. So we can write no. The equation is not satisfied. Question number 1, this way you have to solve. Similarly, other question also. B number, X plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, other question I am solving. Okay, here the value of X is different. Here it is given the value of X is equal to minus 3. I am writing here. Here also it is given the value of X is equal to 3. Okay, I am writing in the bracket what is the value of X. LHS is equal to X plus 3. By putting X equal to minus 3. This minus 3 value you have to put here in LHS. Okay, LHS equal to X. The value of X is minus 3. So you write here minus 3 plus 3. Subtract it, minus 3 plus 3. So minus plus minus. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Now you can compare LHS is equal to 0 and RHS is equal to 0. So this is equal to RHS. Yes, this equation, yes, the equation is satisfied. See, different question I am solving you. If you write here different questions means 5x equal to 25. Okay, now here x equal to 0 value is given, so again we take LHS equal to 5x by putting x equal to 0. LHS equal to this value x is equal to 0, you put here in LHS 5 into 0. 5 into 0 equal to 0. See, here RHS is given 25 and your LHS is 0. So this is not equal. So you write here this is not equal to RHS. So then you can write no, the equation is not satisfied. Okay, is it clear? Now we go to next different question. Next different question is, according to serial number I am writing 9 number question. M by 3 equal to 2. Here the value of m is given m equal to -6. Okay, take LHS equal to m by 3 by putting m equal to -6. This value -6 we put here in LHS. LHS equal to -6 by 3. This 6 we put here, -6 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. What comes here? -2. Now you see here RHS is 2, here LHS is -2. This is not equal. So you can write here this is not equal to RHS. This value is LHS value is not equal to RHS because here is 2, here is -2, so both are not equal. So no, the equation is not satisfied. Okay, next question, last one, 11 number question. M by 3 equal to 2 where m equal to 6. LHS is equal to m by 3 by putting m equal to 6. Okay, LHS is equal to, here the value of m is 6, we put here 6 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. So 2. Now you can compare these 2 is equal to RHS. This 2 is equal to RHS, means LHS equal to RHS. Now it is equal. So you can write here RHS is equal to LHS. Here we can write yes, the equation is satisfied. Okay children, so I have solved different question from question number 1. See, again I am showing you total 11 question is here. I solved some different questions and you try at home to solve rest of the sum. If any problem, You can ask me by giving message and I will try to solve it. Okay.